Most people think signing up for delivery apps is complicated, but that's not true. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is rushing through the process without understanding the requirements. That's where most new drivers get delayed or rejected. Here's the truth no one tells you. Signing up for Uber Eats in 2026 is actually simple, but only if you prepare the right documents and follow each step correctly from the beginning. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to sign up, what documents you need, how long approval takes, and how to avoid the common mistakes that slow down activation. Let's start with the basics. First, you need to meet the requirements. You must be old enough to drive in your city, have a valid driver's license, and a reliable vehicle or eligible delivery method like a bike in some locations. You also need a smartphone because everything runs through the app. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many applicants fail not because they are unqualified, but because their documents are unclear or expired. A driver like Alex once got delayed for 2 weeks just because his insurance photo was blurry. Small details matter a lot. Next step is creating your account. Go to the Uber Eats driver sign-up page and enter your basic details like name, email, phone number, and location. After that, you will be asked to upload your documents. But here's the problem. People often rush uploads without checking clarity. Make sure your license, insurance, and profile photo are sharp and readable. This increases approval speed. After submission, Uber will run a background check. This includes driving record and identity verification. A driver like Jake in Dallas got approved in just a few days because everything was clean and properly submitted. Now here's where it gets important. Approval time is not fixed. In some cities, it can take a few days, while in others it can take longer depending on demand and verification workload. In a minute, you should also know that some regions may require vehicle inspections or additional verification steps. If that applies to your area, Uber will notify you inside the app or by email. Once approved, you can download the driver app, set your availability, and start receiving delivery requests. But do not start blindly. Spend a few minutes learning your local busy zone so your first hours are productive. The key takeaway is simple. The sign-up process is easy, but preparation is everything. Clean documents, accurate information, and patience during verification make the difference between fast approval and delays. To wrap it up, signing up for Uber Eats in 2026 is straightforward if you follow the process step by step. Prepare your documents, upload them clearly, complete verification, and understand your local requirements. If this helped you understand the process, like the video, comment your city, and subscribe for more driver guides that help you start faster and earn smarter from day one.